All right, everybody, we're gonna be jumping into the plan method, the P portion, position for safety. So here's the thing, when we are positioning for safety, there's a few principles involved with it. Now we're gonna keep building and building and building upon our motorcycle road strategy and situational awareness. And right here, this is the P, there's a few sections underneath it. So what we're looking for is great line of sight. So we wanna have great unobstructed vision of what's in front of us. We also are looking for a good space cushion. Right now I got a really good space cushion where the vehicle's in front of me. This gives me plenty of total stopping distance. It gives me plenty of time to make decisions on swerving. We're in orange stage right now going through this intersection because we have a left turner right there. And I'm also looking for an escape path. I just want one, at minimum one. If I'm ever in a position where I don't have any, we're in a bad spot. And I did not position well for safety. So right here, I don't know if this guy's gonna turn left in front of me, so I'm gonna maintain a space cushion. It's not just what's in front of you, it's also around you. So, I have great line of sight, great escape paths, and I have a great space cushion. I can escape left or right, I have my own lane to escape into, and now it's not just for roadway users, this is also for any type of road surface hazards. Gravel in the middle of the road, you might have to reposition, right? Also, it could be for manhole covers, it could just be whatever, and you could utilize left, center, or right. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna show you, one second, we got this guy right here. So right here, this is a terrible line of sight. I'm getting into a terrible position for safety because now my escape paths are getting worse and worse and worse, and my space cushion is worse. Now I'm gonna go over here, and I have a great line of sight, and I'm gonna go ahead and get myself up front. Oh, we gotta go ahead and adjust and get back in, that's part of the law. So right here, terrible space cushion, terrible position for safety. This is a terrible line of sight. I'm showing you guys exactly what it looks like. And right now, great line of sight. So it really is about positioning inside the lane, but I don't like the space cushion, so what I'm gonna do is roll off the throttle, allow them to maintain their speed, and they go ahead and move forward, and I have a better space cushion. So I still don't like this line of sight. I'm gonna go ahead and position myself over here and have better line of sight. So now I can make adjustments based off of the red truck versus the green car. I can have the same exact reaction time as the person in front of me versus me reacting off of the person in front of me. So I have a way better perception reaction time if I have great vision, okay? So always look for good vision, always look for a good space cushion, always look for that escape path. My escape path is over to the right if I need to, so it's like a nice little swerve, and now we're good. Okay guys, that's position for safety. Constantly practice it. We're gonna constantly be talking about it, and I'll see you guys real soon.